Okay, class 3. Okay, class 3. Now we will learn how to change the desktop background. Right now you can see the background. It is Windows background. What you will do, you will first right click. There the option of personalize will come. So it will take you to this window. Okay, there are many themes there. Out of these you can choose. Okay, it will change the theme, or you can go to this option. We will go to this option because it is given in the book. There are 4 tabs here. So first we will go to desktop background. Okay, when we will click on it using left button, it will take you to this window. Here you can see the pictures. You can choose from them, or there are more options available there. You can choose from here also, like solid colors. You can use colors also, or you can browse the files. You can choose from your own file as well. Wherever it is stored, you can choose from there as well. Okay, let's choose this color. Okay, we will choose this color to set the desktop background. We have chosen this color. Now this save changes will come. This save changes button will come. You will click on save changes, and then you can see that your desktop background is changed. Can you see? The color has changed. Okay, this way you can change the color of the desktop background. Okay children, now again we will come to this window, because if you notice, the option of changing the option of putting up the screensaver is the initial steps are same for that also. So we will go to personalize menu, then we will click on this screensaver option. Okay, here in the personalized window, screensaver, right now there is no screensaver, so there is no screensaver, so we will go to screensaver option. This will open this window. Okay, it is showing right now none because there is no screensaver, so you will click on this. Okay, and here you can choose various screensavers. Let's see, we will click on this ribbons. Okay, so when this ribbons will show, this will show you the preview, and you can see the preview from here also, that it will be shown like this. Okay, one more time if you want to see the preview, see. Okay, it is showing the preview like this. Here you can set the time, wait. Okay, usually it is written 9999 here, and here we can set the time in minutes. So right now it is 1 minute. You can increase 3 minutes, 4 minutes, or you can decrease. Okay, so 1 minute we will set, and we will wait. Okay, this you will not click because this is used when many users are working. So this you will remain, you will leave it as such empty. And after doing all this, you will click on apply button. This is very important, because if you will not click on this button, the changes will not apply. So use apply button. Okay, and then you close this window, and then you will close this window also. Okay, and now we will leave, because we need to leave the computer idle for 1 minute, because we have set the time that it will take for a screensaver to appear. If we will touch mouse or keyboard during this period, then the screensaver will not appear. Right now I am doing nothing on the desktop. You will not do anything on the desktop, because if you will do anything, that means the computer is not idle, and again we will have to wait for that long. Okay, so this is the last topic of the chapter, children. You will go through the videos properly, and you will try to practice it at home. But for practice, you need to have your elders with you. Okay, you don't have to work on the computer alone, because computer is a very sensitive system. Now can you see this screensaver? It is nice now. Which screensaver is this? Ribbons. Why it has come? Because my computer was idle for 1 minute. I was not doing anything, and it will continue till I touch the mouse. Okay, I need to touch the mouse and I am touching it, and now it is again the desktop has appeared. Okay, so this was the function of screensaver, how the screensaver is set and how we can change the desktop background. First initial steps are same, that you will right click and you will go to personalize window. Okay children, this was all about this class. Try to do the exercise at home and practice all this at home. Thank you.